Hello, my name is Brendan Kissinger, and today I will be talking about the dangers of driving in heavy winds. There are more dangers than just these four here, but these are just a few examples. You could end up having your car blowing over and tipping on its side, causing any number of things to happen. You could get very hurt from it. Um, if you get hit by a strong gust of wind, you could end up oversteering and turning into the other lane. High-speed winds could also blow debris and other things onto the road, where it can cause any number of problems again. And any vehicle towing a trailer could also lose their load and lose control over their cargo, causing even more problems. Driving in strong winds is dangerous. There are tons of videos on YouTube and such that show how dangerous driving in bad conditions can be. One such example is here. This driver looks like he's about to be driving in a hurricane almost, and he loses control over his cargo and the wind tips him over. Thankfully, there was a middle lane there that he could do. This person was just changing lanes and he tipped over. Any number of things can happen. Any gust of wind, if it is strong enough, can blow your vehicle over or blow a tree down or throw rocks at you. If that happens, it could lead to massive complications in the road or lead to possibly death if you're not careful. This GIF here is an example of how windy roads can be extremely dangerous. If that truck hadn't turned where it did, it would have tipped and lost the load it was carrying. This isn't exactly a mountain road, but it is a good example because if that person hadn't turned where he did, he would have lost his load. And on a mountain road, usually you wouldn't have an opportunity to turn where he did. You would have possibly just lost your life. Not to be blunt, but yeah. In conclusion, driving in heavy winds is very dangerous, and the examples I have shown you today are there just to prove it. It doesn't matter if you have, it doesn't matter. I hope you understand how dangerous it is, and if you are in these conditions, it doesn't matter what you have to me. Hopefully, just try and reschedule it if you can, because driving in these strong winds is not a safe idea, and it's not worth losing your life over or losing anything. Thank you.